Respected Principal Ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Rashmeet Kaur from class 5 Tulip. Today I am going to recite the poem The Beauty of Nature by Kuan. Indeed, how lovely the nature is that God created through His loving embrace. It has life that one should be treasured most, and not a beauty that should be lost. I ask myself why others are blind to the beauty of nature that gives us life, that makes joy to those who believed and gives hope to the one in need. I tell you, my friend, not to blind yourself and change the beauty to the advancement of life. One should stop destroying nature and save its beauty for the future. Thank you.